Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Phantom Wallet login issues, wallet connection errors step by step clearly. If you are encountering login issues with your Phantom Wallet, follow these steps to resolve the problem. First, ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, go to your browser settings and find the Privacy or Security section. Select the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select cookies and cached images before confirming. Once you've cleared the cache, restart your browser. Then, navigate back to the Phantom Wallet website or extension. If you are using the extension, ensure that it is updated to the latest version. Check for updates in your browser's extension settings. If updates are available, install them promptly. After confirming your extension is updated, try logging in again. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Phantom Wallet extension. Before you do this, make sure to back up your recovery phrase to avoid losing access to your wallet. Once you've uninstalled the extension, restart your browser. Then, visit the Chrome Web Store or your browser's extension store to reinstall the Phantom Wallet. After reinstalling, open the extension and try logging in again. If you're still experiencing issues, try accessing your wallet using a different browser. This can help determine if the problem is specific to your current browser. Additionally, ensure that your browser settings allow for pop-ups and third-party cookies. Some browsers may block these by default, which can interfere with wallet connections. If you are using a mobile device, try reinstalling the Phantom Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play. Ensure your device's operating system is updated as well. Lastly, if all else fails, visit the Phantom Wallet support page for further assistance. You can report your issue directly to their support team for specialized help. Following these steps should help you resolve any Phantom Wallet login issues you may be facing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.